We were just sent a tornado warning. Man, the wind has really picked up and the rain. Wind's blowing the rain down the road. That's a gust of wind. But the hurricane is parallel with us here in Grant, Florida. And I think it's about 100 miles out into the ocean. But this is what it's doing. We're getting the effects of it.